Hello everybody, today I'm going to show you how to use the Symmetry tool and Mirror tool in Sketcher and Part Design Workbench. Firstly, let's go through the Symmetry tool. So, I've created a example sketch with a rectangle and a shape inside of it. Now, let's say we want to copy this shape on the other side. We'll select the whole shape, select the Symmetry tool, and click on the vertical or horizontal lines. I'll select the vertical. There's a problem. We can move this and we don't want that. I'm gonna quickly constrain it. Now let's close the sketch. Use the pad. Let's say 15 millimeters. Hit OK. Now let's select the top face. Create a circle. 15 millimeters. Let's constrain it quickly. Say 18 and 15. Close. Pocket. Hit OK. Now to use the mirror tool, you want to select the feature you want to mirror, hit the mirror tool, and as you can see, it's been automatically mirrored on the other side. That's because our rectangle, our whole object, is in the center of the origin. But if it wasn't, you can click the top face, select the datum plane. Here, you can select the axis you want to rotate it on, let's say 90 on the y-axis. And if you click the pocket mirror tool, let's go to plane, select reference, and we select the plane. It's gonna be the same. Then just hit OK. You can hide the plane by using space. And you're all done. Make sure to like and subscribe if you like this tutorial, and feel free to support me, link in the description. Thank you for watching.